Insomniac, thanks for the pinky. Happy Halloween, Wawa. I am back from Japan and bought a bunch of senbei. Oh! I hope you had fun in Japan. Seems like it. Senbei is actually, I like senbei. In particular, just normal senbei if it's not seafood or fish flavored. I love the senbei that they give in the flights, in the JP flights. The tiny senbei. Senbei 好き。日本のお菓子の中でやっぱりせんべいが美味しいよな。It's like one of the few snacks with nori, seaweed that I like. とっても大好き。How much overlap is there between the Nara deer and Wawa when it comes to senbei flavors? I've never seen the famous Nara deers in person before. Judging by how highly touristic it is, I don't really care. I'm not going. Ever. I've been to like Osaka and Kyoto, but I've never checked out the deer in Nara. I'd rather go to like rabbit-infested place or cat-infested place or whatever in Japan. They have a lot of weird infestations. 日本ってなんか一つの動物がいっぱい集まってる場所ってなんか結構ありますよね。Lots of all the bear attacks this year. What? Where? In Japan? Or worldwide? All over Japan? Bear attacks? What? 日本って今、クマに襲われてるの? The military is being used. What? 12 people? What, in this year? Bear attacks. Yeah. Oh, there's so many articles right now. Almost every day, Japan battles spike in bear attacks. Huh? But probably just like on the countryside, right? Where do these bears appear? どういうところにクマが出てくるの? 森とか? Another bear attack in Japan. This former victim calls for ruthless response. Bears have learned humans are weak. I don't want to laugh about this, but that part is just kind of funny. Yeah, humans are weak without weapons and shit. Yeah. Troops deployed to stop epidemic of bear attacks. What the heck? Sounds like it's made up, but it's real. Mostly seen in Japan's northernmost Hokkaido island. Yeah, that makes kind of sense. Well, I hope they can find a peaceful solution without killing the bears. No hiking in Hokkaido for now. That does not sound like a good idea. To capture them, no killing. Oh, that's good. That's good. And then what? Put them in a zoo? Another bear attack in Japan. This former victim calls for ruthless response. Bears have learned humans are weak. I don't want to laugh about this, but that part is just kind of funny. Yeah, humans are weak without weapons and shit. Yeah.